Hello kids. Today we are going to revise. We learn this one. Yes or no? Today we are going to revise upon unity in diversity. Where? In India. In our country. Because our country is a rich and varied cultural heritage. Our country, India's rich, varied cultural heritage, religions, languages in India, festivals and their celebrations in India, how they are celebrating, languages, how many are there, how their festivals are celebrating. India. Today we are going to revise upon India. Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. Look in this picture, kid. By seeing this one picture, we are so many peoples are there. So many religions seeing. Languages, different, everything is different in this picture. Yes or no? Yes, correct. So, see, India is a melting pot of various cultures and tradition. India is a melting pot of various culture and traditions. We have a rich and varied cultural heritage. People belonging to different religions, castes, live together peacefully and respect each other's, their costumes, their traditions. So it is a unity in diversity. In India, peoples belong to different religions, different castes, but live together peacefully and respect their costumes, languages. So beautiful is there now our India? Yes, it is called the unity in diversity. See, languages. From 1635, languages spoken across the country. Our constitution recognizes only about 22 as official languages. Only 22 as official languages. Hindi in Devanagari script is recognized as the official language of India by the Indian Constitution. Hindi in Devanagari script is recognized as the official language of India by the Indian Constitution. From the 1635, languages spoken across the country. But only 22 are official languages. In that 22, Hindi in Devanagari script is recognized as the Indian official language of India by the Indian Constitution. Religions. India is home to different religions. Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism originated in India, while Islam, Christianity, Zoroastrianism, Judaism came to India several countries later. Some religions are originated in India, and some religions came to India from several countries. Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism originated in India, such as in India, while Islam, Christianity, Judaism came to India several countries later. Festivals. Festivals are occasion for people come together and celebrate life, enjoy their life. India has many culture festivals celebrated by one and all with the equal warmth, enthusiasm and the brotherhood. Major cultural festivals of India. Major cultural festivals of India. Give any examples? Harvest festivals, national festivals, religion festivals. These are the types of festivals. Harvest festivals, national festivals, religious festivals. Harvest festivals express gratitude to motherland. Some harvest festivals are Holi, Baisakhi, Onam, Bhogli Bihu, Sankranti, Gudi Padwa, etc. are the harvest festivals. Dasera, Diwali, these are the also festivals, but it's a religious festivals. Christmas, Christians celebrate Christmas, the birthday of the Lord Jesus on 15th December every year. Dasera, Diwali. Dasara is or it is called the Vijayadashmi, an important Hindu festival marked as the victory of good over evil. Diwali also has the Hindu festival celebrated to mark the return to Lord of Rama to Ayodhya after defeating the Ravana. These also festivals celebrate the triumph of good over evil. Easter. The Friday preceding Easter Sunday was the day Jesus Christ was put to death. The Friday preceding Easter Sunday was the death of Jesus Christ was put to death. It believed that he rose from the dead on the Easter Sunday. On this day, people go to decorative Easter eggs made out the flour and sugar with signifies new life and a new beginning. The Friday preceding Easter Sunday was the day Jesus Christ was put to death. Next one is Eid ul Fitr. Muslims celebrate Eid ul Fitr, which marks the end of the holy month Ramzan, during which they observe the fast. On the day of Bakri Eid, Muslims pray and sacrifice a lamb. Holi. is the festival of color when people throw a colored water on one another and smear each other face with a colored powder or gulal. Guru Nanak Jayanti festival like Guru Nanak Jayanti, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti are also widely celebrated in our country. Parsi New Year. Nowruz or Parsi New Year is celebrated by Parsis. They visit the fire temple or Agairi to offer praise to the Lord Zarathustra. Now let's sing national festivals. Days of national importance. Days of national importance such as a Republic Day. When we are celebrating a Republic Day on 26th January, and when we are celebrating Independence Day, we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. These are regarded as national festivals. On Republic Day, India was declared a republic when 26 January 1950, India was declared as Republic. This day is the year's first national festival. The armed force exhibit a grand parade in New Delhi at Rajpath. On this day, children who have displayed a courage, braves participate in the Republic Day parade. Independence Day we celebrate on 15th August. This day we got a freedom from British. On 15th August 1947 we got a freedom from British rules. The day is marked by hosting of the India's flag at Lahore Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi, followed by the Prime Minister's address to the nation. Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. We are calling as a Bapu. Yes or no? We are calling Bapu. To who? Mahatma Gandhi. It is a national holiday and is celebrated as a Gandhi Jayanti. He believed that an eye for an eye make everybody blind. An eye for an eye makes everybody blind, and thus advocated the path of non-violence. On Gandhi Jayanti, common people and eminent leaders pay homage at Rajghat in New Delhi. This day is also celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. This type national festivals, harvesting festival, religious festivals celebrating in India. Festivals are happy times when friends and families get together and enjoy fun with food and laughter. National festivals marks important events in the history of our country. These national festivals mark important events in the history of our country. Okay kids, today's your homework is you read the lessons, write a short note on Republic Day, Independence Day, festivals. Okay? Thank you for watching the video.